can, in 30 seconds each, give us some of the highlights you'd like the audience to remember. We'll start with Inez Friedman-Boyce.
Sure. Well, getting 1933 Act claims dismissed on a motion can be a daunting task, so it's important to think outside of the box. I've outlined today some standing arguments, and Mary has talked about some timeliness arguments that can be successful, and they should be part of any litigator's toolkit when it comes to 33 Act claims. And similarly, if you're facing a 33 Act claim that's based on an alleged violation of Item 303 or 503, that can be a way to import a knowledge requirement into the claim, which can be a basis for dismissal.
Thank you, Inez. Mary Eaton, half a minute for some takeaways, please.
Sure. So with respect to stacking, I think that that issue has been concluded. It's a judge-made rule. As I said, there's not a lot of room in the opinion for any argument that tolling of class claims applies. I think the real action is going to take place with respect to tolling of individual claims, which, as I say, is still very important, including in opt-out cases, and there are a number of unresolved issues before the courts right now that could have a huge impact on how those sorts of claims are ultimately resolved. With respect to state court jurisdiction over 33 Act claims, there's a lot more ambiguity in that area. I think one big impact of Cyan is it's a real boon for the plaintiffs' bar who are likely to stream to state court where the procedural protections of the PSLRA probably don't apply. I don't think it's a very strong argument under 27A1 that they do. And that, as Inez says earlier in her presentation, is going to lead to a lot of hurdles for defendants to overcome. It's a bit different pleading standard in state court. You don't have an attached certification that will help with a motion to dismiss and so on. So, but apart from that, I think there still are a number of questions left unanswered, which are important to bear in mind and should be part of every litigator's toolbox, including questions about seeking a stay, and in particular about the viability of the use of forum selection clauses. And I'll stop there.